Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera students. So today we're going to learn about products of photosynthesis. So in the previous video we have learned what is photosynthesis, right? So photosynthesis is actually how the plant make their own food. Okay, macam mana tumbuhan membuat makanan sendiri. Okay, jadi itu adalah photosynthesis. So now we're going to see the products of photosynthesis. What will the plant get, okay, from this process of photosynthesis. Okay, so we're going to look at this. So product of photosynthesis, what the plant will produce, what the plant will get at the end of the photosynthesis process. Okay, so when we look at here, during photosynthesis, okay, so during photosynthesis, the chlorophyll absorb sunlight. Okay, so if you still remember in the last lecture, I told you the chlorophyll you can find it in the leaves. Okay, in the leaves of the plant, and that's why plant leaf is in green color. Sebab itulah daun berwarna hijau sebab ada chlorophyll. Okay, jadi chlorophyll will absorb sunlight. Dia yang akan serap tenaga cahaya matahari. Okay. So that's why photosynthesis only happens in the morning. Okay, pagi-pagi sahaja, petang-petang tengah hari sahaja baru boleh berlaku proses photosynthesis. Okay, so energy from sunlight is used to change water and carbon dioxide into glucose, starch, and oxygen. So this is the product of photosynthesis. So what the plant needs in the photosynthesis? First they need is the carbon dioxide. Okay, so how the plant get carbon dioxide? The plant get carbon dioxide first from human being. So when we breathe in and we breathe out, we will give them carbon dioxide. Jadi bila kita hembus nafas, kita keluarkan carbon dioksida. Okay, also you can have carbon dioxide from factories, from cars. Di kilang-kilang kereta tu pun menghasilkan carbon dioksida. Okay, and another thing that they need is the water. So water you get from the roots of the plant. So daripada akar tumbuhan, kan mereka boleh dapat air. If you still remember from the last lecture, and also what do they need? The third one they need is sunlight. Okay, diorang perlukan matahari. Okay, diorang perlukan matahari. And the fourth thing that they need is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll macam saya cakap tadi, it's on the leaves. Okay, it's on the leaves. So that's why chlorophyll is color green and the leaves is also color green. So this is the product. This is the product of photosynthesis. Ada dua benda, okay, ada dua benda yang dihasilkan semasa proses photosynthesis. First adalah ni, glucose. Glucose ataupun ni makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan. Kan photosynthesis is the process of plant making their own food. Jadi maksudnya photosynthesis ni macam mana tumbuh-tumbuhan buat makanan sendiri. So makanan ni lah maksud cikgu, glucose. Ni lah makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan. So you can write glucose ataupun starch. Okay. You can write glucose ataupun starch. Inilah makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan. Okay, and also they release oxygen. Okay, so you have to remember, because they will always ask you in the subjective question. Okay, kalau dia tanya dalam subjective question, then they're going to give you like about 2 or 3 marks. If in objective, then it's going to be 1 mark. Okay, so what you need to remember, product of photosynthesis, one yang diperlukan adalah carbon dioxide, and then they need water, and then they need sunlight. Okay, so that's why photosynthesis can only happen morning, evening, afternoon, but it will never happen at night sebab dia mahu cahaya matahari. So and the fourth one, they need chlorophyll, so you can find in the leaves, and the products are two. One, glucose ataupun starch, iaitu makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan, and second, they will also produce oxygen. Okay, so itulah dua product of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen. Okay, so product of photosynthesis. So glucose ataupun starch ni is the plant's food. Macam cikgu cakap tadi, dia makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan. Okay, so makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan which is stored in the leaves, stem, fruit, roots and also seeds. So maksudnya makanan ni, okay, glucose or starch ni, makanan tumbuh-tumbuhan ni, kamu boleh dia akan disimpan. Okay, dia akan simpan dekat leaves, okay, dekat daun-daun ataupun dekat stem, batang ni, okay, fruits, okay, dekat buah, roots ataupun akar, okay, roots ataupun akar, and also in the seeds. Okay, so ni lah tempat-tempat di mana makanan tu kena simpan. Where the food will be stored, you can find in the stem, batang, the leaves, daun, roots, akar, fruits, buah-buah, dan juga seeds. Ini biji-biji. So, itulah tempat yang di mana makanan-makanan daripada photosynthesis akan disimpan. Okay, it will be stored. Okay, so other than that, we also have, macam cikgu cakap tadi, glucose. Okay, sudah settle. Ni kan, this is what we talk about, glucose. And we also have, ada satu lagi, oxygen. Ada dua benda produk. So now we're going to talk about oxygen. So oxygen produced is released into the atmosphere through the stomata. So maksudnya oxygen ni, okay, oxygen ni kena kasih keluar daripada stomata from the leaves. So this means the oxygen will be released from the leaves, okay, from the leaves dekat stomata. Okay, so oxygen akan keluar, oxygen will be released from the leaves through the stomata. Okay, so plant use food for growth and formation of flowers, seeds and fruits. So maksudnya oxygen ni, okay, dia akan keluar daripada daun-daun. Okay, dia akan keluar daripada daun-daun ni, macam dekat gambar ni, leaves. Okay, oxygen will be released from the leaves, from the stomata. Okay, so the plant use food for growth and formation of flowers, seeds and fruit. So maksudnya tumbuh-tumbuhan ni dia guna makanan. Makanan apa tadi? Ni, glucose kan? Plant's food, glucose for the formation of flowers, seeds and fruits. Maksudnya dia gunakan makanan untuk dia buat bunga, untuk dia buat biji-biji dan juga untuk dia buat buah-buah. Okay, jadi sebab itulah tumbuh-tumbuhan perlukan makanan, and that's why they need to do photosynthesis. So what that you need to remember, okay, for photosynthesis, the first thing that they need is the carbon dioxide. Okay, second they need is the water. So water you can find in the roots lah, dekat soil, dekat tanah-tanah bila hujan ataupun bila orang siram pokok, right? And then number 3 will be the sunlight. So that's why photosynthesis can only happen in the morning, afternoon, daytime, okay, not in the night. Okay, and then second adalah chlorophyll. Okay, fourth adalah chlorophyll, and that's why tumbuh-tumbuhan berwarna hijau. Okay, so dia punya produk ada dua. Okay, dia punya produk ada dua. One is oxygen. Okay, one is oxygen. Okay, they release through stomata. So dia keluar daripada daun ni. Oxygen ni dia akan keluar daripada daun. Okay, so oxygen will be released from the stomata, from the leaves. And yang second lagi dia akan ada product of photosynthesis is the glucose, sugar ataupun starch. Okay, ni adalah plant punya food. Okay, ni adalah plant punya food. So that's all you need to know for the first video, for this video. So if you have any question, you can always ask me kalau ada yang kamu kurang faham. Okay, so we will meet again in the next video.